Let me ask you something. Are you wearing every hat in your life and business right now? Because I've been there, and let me tell you, it comes with a price tag most people never calculate. Hey there, you productivity-loving, clarity-craving, action-taking rock star. I'm Mark Struczewski, also known as Mr. Productivity. And if you're feeling scattered, overwhelmed, or like you're spinning your wheels doing it all yourself, this episode is going to give you a much-needed jolt of clarity because we're going to talk about the hidden cost of doing it all yourself. Now, let's rewind to 2005. 2005. That's when I got fired. Not exactly a motivational origin story, right? But it set the stage. It wasn't until 2011 that I officially began my productivity journey. And that happened because a coach saw something in me that I didn't yet see in myself. That's the power of outside perspective. That's what clarity looks like in action. But let me be real with you. Between 2005 and 2020, and doing math quickly in my head, I think that's 15 years, I spent a lot of money, valuable family funds on coaches and courses without even knowing what I truly needed. I thought I was being proactive. I was actually just lost. I was investing in solutions before I had a clear problem. I lacked clarity. And now I drive for Uber to help pay the bills. Not because I've given up, but because people don't usually come to me until things get bad, really bad. We're talking write-ups at work, poor performance reviews, stress meltdowns, those wake-up moments. But here's the twist. I'm an introvert. I know. It's hard to believe. But yes, I am an introvert. Except when I'm speaking on stage or podcasting. I'm not naturally outgoing. And yet, driving for Uber has helped me come out of my shell in a powerful way. It's reminded me that everyone's carrying something. And most people are trying to carry it all by themselves. But the more you try to juggle, the more you risk dropping what matters most. Doing it all yourself sounds noble, but it comes at a hidden price. And here's the receipt. Time. You're constantly switching tasks, writing emails, scheduling meetings, updating your website, managing social media, and that switching destroys your focus. Every 5-minute task costs you way more in lost momentum. You end your day tired and wondering what you actually got done. Money. Trying to, quote, save money by doing everything yourself. Let me lovingly call that what it is. False economy. I wasted years chasing the wrong tools and the wrong strategies because I didn't have clarity. The real cost? Missed income, slower growth, constant stress. Energy. When you're juggling everything, you are mentally drained, even if you're not physically moving. And when your energy is gone, your productivity crashes. You stop showing up fully. You lose the spark. Clarity. And this is the big one. When you're in every lane, you lose track of your direction. You confuse motion with progress. You're checking boxes, but not moving forward. Clarity can't survive chaos. And when you're doing it all, you're creating the exact fog that keeps you stuck. So, if the cost is so high, why do we keep doing it? Because we're human. And here's what's usually behind the scenes. Number one, control. We think no one can do it like I can. It feels faster to just do it ourselves, but in the long run, it slows us down and isolates us. Number two, pride. I should be able to handle this. We tie our value to our output. We don't want to look weak, but exhaustion isn't a badge of honor. It's a warning sign. Number 3, guilt. I can't afford to ask for help. Whether it's a financial guilt or an emotional guilt, we feel bad investing in ourselves. But wasting time and energy, that's the real cost. 4, what if I let go and everything falls apart? Fear keeps us in control mode, but you can't grow and grip tightly at the same time. Here's a bonus: the productivity mask. Sometimes doing it all is just a distraction. It feels productive, but it's really just keeping you from facing the deeper questions. What do I really want? What's really not working? Staying busy is safe, but clarity, that's courageous. So what's the way forward? Number 1, know your zone of genius. Ask, what can only I do? Maybe you pull out your journal and you write at the top of a brand new page, what can only I do? Your energy belongs there, not in 47 other lanes. This is where the magic is. This is where your impact lies. Number 2, start letting go. You don't need to hire a full team. Just start saying no to what doesn't serve you. Automate one thing. Cancel one obligation. Trim the to-do list. Every time you say no to the wrong thing, you make room for the right thing. Number 3, redefine help as a strength. Asking for help is not a failure. It's leadership. Whether it's a coach, a tool, a boundary, support is smart. Even top performers have coaches. So why not you? Number 4, clarity before strategy. Before you download another app or build another funnel, pause. Ask, what matters right now? Then act from that place. Because when you act from clarity, you don't need hacks. You create momentum. All right, my friend, here's your 3-part clarity mission. Number 1, head on over to my website, MrProductivity.com, MISTER, MrProductivity.com, and subscribe to The Productive Life. It's my free newsletter where I send out clarity boosting, overwhelm squashing goodness every week. Number 2, follow or subscribe to this podcast so you never miss an episode. Real easy. It doesn't matter if you're listening on Spotify or Apple Podcasts or any other platform. Just subscribe or follow the podcast. That way you don't miss an episode, and it tells the algorithm that you found this show valuable, and it'll share it with other people so I can help them as well. And 3, this is big. Share this episode with just one person right now. Someone you know is doing too much and needs to hear this message today. So just smash that share icon on whatever podcast player you're listening to this on and share this episode with that one person right now. You're not meant to do life or work alone. You've got clarity waiting. You've got support available. You've got more power than you realize. And I'm here, bouncing along with you every step of the way. Until next time, stay focused, stay consistent, and stay bouncing forward.